Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this full-length mirror. I really love this mirror, guys. I'm 5'4" for reference, and it covers my entire body. Now, I got the gold version, but they do have a version in black. I really love how crystal clear it is, guys. As you can see, it kind of looks like I'm recording from the back camera, but I am. It's just that I'm reflecting against the mirror and it looks crystal clear. I really love that, guys, because a lot of mirrors don't look crystal clear, and this one does. I also really like that it comes with the little stand in the back. As you can see, it's leaning against the stand, but if you wanted to, you could just raise this up and then you can just lean it against the wall, but I prefer it like this. I got these 64 by 21 inches, guys, and if I get closer like this, I am kind of almost as tall as the mirror, just probably by a few inches. But if I scoot back, you can still see your full body, guys, so I really like it. Even if I scoot a little bit to the front, you can see literally my entire body. It looks crystal clear. It's very pretty. They also do have an arc version in case you want to get that one, but I really love the rectangular one. This is how tall it looks like, guys. If I scoot to the back, it looks so cute. It looks big. It fits your entire body, and it makes your room look very aesthetic, so I really love it. But yeah, guys, if you're looking for a good full-size body mirror, I would definitely recommend this one.